My name's Nia and I've been a content creator for over 6 years now, and on my journey to creating content online I have definitely discovered myself in so many different and versatile ways, but the one thing that I've always stuck by is being true to myself. When I started creating content on Instagram and YouTube, I was only 16, and at the time it was definitely really fun for me because there was no pressure and I was able to just take fun pictures with my friends in our local town. And then it got to a point when I discovered apps like Facetune and Visco where having perfect images was so important to me to keep up with everyone else, but I didn't realize the effects that an app like Facetune was having on me, where I depended on having perfect skin and even photoshopping my waist to make it look smaller and my hips to make them look larger. I realized how bad this had become and how my obsession of wanting to be perfect had affected me when I decided to go on my feed one day and I didn't recognize myself. The skin that I looked at in the morning after showering on my back was not what was on Instagram, where I had smoothed it out and completely covered all my scarring, or the big and voluminous and really defined and detailed curls were a lot softer in real life. And I decided one day to set myself free, just because I find it so important that once you do that and you accept yourself, then you're open to receiving the universe's blessings as real and as raw as they can be. Just because I have back knee, that does not mean that I can't get on a beach and own myself and be confident in a little bikini. I don't have to cover up just because society tells me that there's a problem with it or that there's a flaw and it needs to be fixed. Nothing about me is broken, and I feel like all women should embrace that and understand that we all have these little things that we want to change or that we dwell on when we look in the mirror every morning, but those are the things that make you so unique, and I think we should change the narrative and begin to own them. The one thing I love about social media amongst all the others is the way that you can be inspired. My relationship with makeup has always been about covering up my blemishes, covering up any scarring, covering up my pores. But now I'm in a space where every day I scroll on my feed and I see women doing amazing and inspiring styles with something as simple as an eyeshadow. So now my relationship with it has changed. I've definitely gained an understanding of enhancing your glow and making your cheekbones pop, or even giving yourself a fake tan when you need to. I love makeup and the ability to be able to enhance your features as opposed to hiding them and trying to be someone else. I believe that confidence comes from being free, and with being free you're able to discover so many amazing aspects and parts of yourself. For instance, when I cut my hair, I was able to unleash so many different brave and bold personalities within me as I finally decided to let go of something that I had depended on to feel beautiful. True beauty isn't a set of rules or a makeup book, but the confidence to express your true self is an underlying quality or feeling. It's the choice to be your own muse.